Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As we know, this is a beautiful moment, Brother Sanjay. My name is Dawood.
Nice to meet you.
You as well. Nice to meet you. Alhamdulillah. So alhamdulillah, this, what we call it, testimony of faith, reciting the Shahada, to me, what it represents, and we understand our tradition, that if you could come here, inshallah, you're being requested front and center.
Okay.
That it is it's just an outward affirmation of what God already knows exists inside of you. Okay, so we are here now to witness this as a group. Your transition into what we call the fold of Islam.
Okay.
So the first thing that we have to ask is that there is no compulsion in Islam. So that you are making this decision, no one is forcing you, this is a decision that's being made by yourself, and that you understand in full capacity of the decision that you are making.
Yeah, I understand.
Alhamdulillah, Allah is the best of witnesses. So once that is clear, I can just explain to you, as we say that, entering into Islam is with the testimony of faith. We're going to declare that. I'm going to say it 3 times in Arabic. I'm actually, I was an Arabic teacher for some time, so I'll...
Okay.
Just teasing, alhamdulillah. You can follow me. Any difficulty, I'll just take a few points off afterwards.
Okay.
So inshallah, we will, God willing, I will repeat in Arabic, and then you can repeat after me, and then I'll say it one time in English, so we're very clear on what has been said.
Sure.
Okay? And as I just like to mention to you that, I myself am a convert as well to the faith, and understand that it is a journey. It is a marathon and not a sprint. And there's a whole life that exists for us, inshallah ta'ala, to understand. And it's that journey of our life, so to speak. So alhamdulillah, if you are okay with me, we can hold hands, if that is okay with you. Shaking a hand like this, I think is good to do, inshallah. So with that, in reciting the testimony of faith, inshallah, if you could repeat after me. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. Last time, inshallah, I encourage everyone to recite it together. One of our teachers has said, reminded us of this, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu aminu, O you who believe, believe. And they asked, if we are already believers, how do we believe? And they said, Jaddidu imanukum, right? Renew your faith. So inshallah, we can recite this with our brother, inshallah. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. I bear witness that there is no God except for Allah. And I bear witness that Muhammad is his servant and messenger. Takbir! 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 Alhamdulillah, Brother Sanjay, welcome. Welcome to Islam. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Alhamdulillah. Pleased to meet you.
Very nice to meet you too.
May God bless your journey.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Here for you and whatever you need, inshallah.
Of course. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you.
This is a gift from the community that comes. And
Okay.
it's a beautiful kind of collection of resources to help you in your journey.
Oh, okay. Oh, I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Yeah.